Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to teach you how to make a call on WhatsApp. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So open your WhatsApp. You're going to learn different ways to make calls on WhatsApp, both video calls and normal calls. So click on this calls icon here as shown on your screen. Now there are different ways to make a call. Click on this plus button, this call plus button. So it's going to show you that you can add up to 31 people in any of the call. You can make a call by creating a call link, by calling a number, by scheduling a call. Let's start with the call link. So anyone with this link can join. You can just click on call type to change. If you want video, it's okay. If you want voice, you change it to voice type. Once that is done, you can send the link via WhatsApp, copy the link, add it to your calendar, or share it to the people that you want, to join the call. The next one is to call the number. You can just type in the number and click on the plus button up here to add it to your contact. Then you'll be able to call the person, because you can only call the people that you save and all. Then another one, if you just want to save a number first, you create new contact before calling. Another one is to schedule a call. You can just write a brief description of the call, choose the day. You can remove end time and call type. You also have to select call type and click on this send button to send the link to the people. Another one is that you can use the search option to find a contact that you want to call. I'm going to search for my sister, and when you find the number, just tap it. Then you can create a call link, call, video call, or normal call. So I'm calling her on a voice call. You can see this option, if she has answered, you see share screen, you see other things. This is for voice out, like loudspeaker. Then this one is to mute the mic if you don't want someone to hear what's going on in the background. If you want to go out of the call, you click on there. If you want to add people, you click on the add people option. For this red button is where you end it. Next is how to make a video call on WhatsApp. So I'm just going to open a particular contact as if I want to send the person message. You can see the call option up here. So I'll just click on the video icon to make a call. Now it's going to show my face, and until the person speaks, you will see the other person. So you also have these other options like this, to share your screen or to send an in-call message to the person that you are calling. This other one is for speaker. If you want to turn your speaker on, that's okay. Then this other one, if you want to mute the noise from your background so that the person over there will not hear what's going on in your background, that's for that. Then I have other option. If you want to add more people, you can add up to 31 people to the call. You add. This is to turn your camera. You don't want it to be like a selfie. You want to show the person what's going on in your background. Like you can see what is before me, the throw pillows and the door. Then this other one is like you want to get filters, effects, background and all. So you can see the filters. We have different filters. The one you click on, you can see how it's enhancing my face and change to black and white, and anyone you touch will actually be shown on your face, so you can see it and the person they are calling will also see it. So we have effects. You can distort your face, change your face to be like like all these Snapchat effects and all of that. You can see this one, you can see this other one. So they are just different effects that you can just check out. Funny, if you want to just look at this one that looks like a dog and all. So we also have background. If you don't want your current background to show, you can move to background, and you can see where you move to background. Down here you have effects, you have filters, and you have background. So you can move to background, and any background. There is one that can blur, like this one can blur out what is in my background. You have the one that will show my living room. You have the one that will show I'm in a cafe. You have different types of background. If this video is making sense to you, why not hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share. So if you want to undo all these effects, click on this undo button. If you want to turn on light mode, that's okay. If you also want to turn on touch up mode, like beauty mode, then you do that. If you go here, this place there's arrow out, is for you to go out of all these stuffs. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.